Universitas Syiah Kuala didirikan atas prakarsa dari seluruh pemangku kepentingan di Aceh pada saat itu, yaitu untuk mendirikan sebuah perguruan tinggi untuk mendidik sumber daya manusia. Dan alhamdulillah hari ini Universitas Syiah Kuala sudah berumur 54 tahun.
Syiah Kuala became the name of the university in order to honor the merit and high dedication of Sheikh Abdul Rauf As-Singkili. He is known by the name of Tengku Syiah Kuala, a hero, an international major scholar who have made an enormous contribution in education, religion, and the rule of law in Aceh during his life in the 16th century to the Kingdom of Aceh Darussalam.
Universitas Syiah Kuala saat ini memiliki 12 fakultas dan 1 program pasca sarjana. Terdiri dari 15 program diploma 3, 53 program studi S1, 27 program studi S2, dan 6 program studi S3.
For Aceh, these honors form a higher education, Syiah Kuala University, where its forerunner presence loaded with stories integral with journey of Aceh itself.
Universitas Syiah Kuala memiliki 31.000 mahasiswa dari sejumlah 1.546 dosen di Universitas Syiah Kuala, 38 orang bergelar guru besar.
A set of organizations has prepared to achieve goals of Syiah Kuala University to become a part of society that is faithful and devoted, appreciate the human values, insightful the nationality, and have the professional academic ability in developing and applying science and technology. History has proved that a determination realized the ideals into reality. September 2nd, 1959, student complex in Darussalam was opened, and there is Bung Karno's handwriting has memorialized. It is a symbol of peace and unity of cooperation between the leaders and Acehnese in developing this beloved Aceh and Indonesia. The forerunner of Syiah Kuala University, which often called Unsyiah, originated from the economic faculty, which was a part of the University of North Sumatra. Established on September 2nd, 1959, currently, economics faculty consists of 4 departments for bachelor, 6 departments for diploma, 3 departments for master study, and 2 departments for doctoral study. The Faculty of Economics has also opened International Accounting Program, often called as IAP, which is an international standard for Bachelor of Accounting under Department of Accounting, Faculty of Economics. IAP has established cooperation with several universities in Malaysia: University Teknologi Mara UITM Perak, University Science Malaysia, and University Kebangsaan Malaysia. And today, 7 foreign students are studying in this program. They come from Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, and Kyrgyzstan. After the Faculty of Economics, followed by the establishment of Faculty of Veterinary Medicine, which is one of the oldest faculties in the university. The faculty was formed in 1960. Students in this faculty focus on diagnosis, research on animal disease, especially disease that can be transmitted to human, known as zoonosis disease. The Law Faculty is the 3rd faculty in Unsyiah. In addition to the regular classwork in the national and regional level, the Law Faculty has also opened an international class after the tsunami that hit Aceh in 2004. And it was precisely in 2008 With the support from Nuffic institution, the class began to be activated. This class also worked with professors from Malaysia, Singapore, and Australia to contribute their knowledge in the university. Indonesian government has been paying serious attention to education, expecting to produce the best teacher who can implement incentive education. This Faculty of Education is challenged to prepare qualified teachers who are ready to enter the global era. The existence of the international class has come to prepare international quality teachers. Replied the need of manpower in the world of bureaucratic, industry and construction. Precisely in 1963, the Faculty of Engineering was opened. Engineering faculty already conducted research community service, cooperate with companies and universities all over Indonesia and the world. This faculty aspires to graduate the students who will be able to take part in the sectoral workforce in regional, national, and international level. Considering today's scholars who are difficult in entering the practical workforce, the agriculture departments cooperate with large farms for student internship program called 4+1. Which is 4 years occupying formal education to achieve a bachelor degree and 1 year to practices in the large farm. It is expected that after graduation, the student can be independent and build a business with the approach not only technically but also in terms of motivation and spirit through traditional and religious approaches, which is an Aceh identity. In the last 32 years of its existence, the Faculty of Medicine have developed the potential to train the professional medical personnel. The government of Aceh in particular, through Public Hospital Zainal Abidin, has supported academic activities. Every day, 800 to 1,500 medical students follow the professional study at the hospital. The development of faculty qualifications continues to be improved, supported by the Government of Aceh and Directorate General of Higher Education. Faculty of Science. Established in 1989, the faculty has the ability to upgrade the efficient human resources. In welcoming the ASEAN Economic Community in 2015, the Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Sciences continued preparations, especially in mastering English, technology information, and organization. Inspired by the result of social and political issues that occurred in Aceh society, began with the conflict over 30 years and then continues with the earthquake and tsunami, as well as the Helsinki MOU and Law Number 11 in 2006 of the Government of Aceh. Faculty of Social and Political Sciences was built as a very important element to be built in the Kuala University. Answered the demand for higher education for the Acehnese, Master of Civil Engineering was opened in 2001 and Get B for its accreditation. Besides opening the regular classes, Master of Civil Engineering also opened a special class in collaboration with the Ministry of Public Works for 2 concentrations, which are Engineering Management Transport and Water Resource Management. From June 18, 1999, nursing study program was under the Faculty of Medicine. From September 2nd, 2013, it was officially became as a Faculty of Nursing. In support of the academic community, the faculty has given its contribution to the government of Aceh, as well as in the form of cooperation in hospital nationwide and even international. In 2014, the Faculty of Marine Science and Fisheries was launched. Activities of most students are still outside the campus, such as at the Fisheries Research Institute in Aceh. Supported by the nature of Aceh, which is very rich in its marine products, this faculty will be facilitated with technology facilities by the Islamic Development Bank. Because this faculty has a potential to deliver graduates who have great opportunities in the field of fisheries and marine sector in Aceh. In the same year, dentistry study program, which has been running for 8 years since 2006, has officially become as the Faculty of Dentistry. The faculty is emphasized on importance of research, provide information, and socialization of dental and oral health for the community of Aceh. Answering the devastating disaster that struck Aceh in late 2004, Unsyiah established a Center for Tsunami and Disaster Mitigation Study, known as TDMRC, Tsunami and Disaster Mitigation Research Center. It is the combination of Unsyiah for Aceh Reconstruction, Tsunami Research Center, and Mitigation Center. TDMRC aims to improve the resource quality of disaster research, advocate government in making policies, collect and provide the best data to speed up the process data collection related to the impact of the disaster. The variety of supporting facilities has also completed the process of this university to be an independent university. The community of Kuala University will always continue to strive and work hard in order to actualize the ideas of Aceh, to have an international standard of education.